Today I'll be speaking about how to draw multileader. Some examples are on the screen right now. So these are some examples of multileader. So to start off, what you have to do is to click Tools, click on Toolbars, Add, and select multileader. Once you've done so, you can notice that you will have two different toolbars. So it's either you have this toolbar or you have here on the ribbon. So what you have to do is to click on multileader. It's for mine because I previously used the spline. I have to change the multileader style. So how do you create a multileader style? Just click on New. But I've done an original one already, so you can look at mine. So what I've done is to actually choose and change the size of the arrow. You can also change to 14 if you want to. And you can also click on the leader structure to see. But I've not changed anything in the leader structure. But in content I have changed the text height to 20, as you can see here. Once you're done, click OK and set it as the current and click Close. Now you're ready to create a multileader. So first what you do is to create a multileader is to click this button. You can also type multileader in the space below. Now what you do first, start by clicking outside. And as you can see, it will create a text box which you can type in, for example, text 1. And following that, you can click and drag the arrow all the way inside. There's another way of doing this, which is to click, it's just to type multileader, first of all, and to start by using the arrow first. So example, like this. Then click on the space outside. And how do you edit this to change into a spline? Well, click on annotation, after which click on this. It's called multileader style, and then you can create a new one and call it a tag number, as I've done here, and click on the content, right? Change your source block into a circle and then change the scale to 5, after which you can change the symbol as you wish and change the size to 10. Choose either straight, arrow, or a spline. As for me, I would choose the spline for now and set it as the current and close. Now you can, I would like to draw over here, and then this will pop out and you have to put in your tag number. For me, I'll put 1. And as you can see, this will pop out. Another thing that multileader can do is to actually extend your arrows, such as this. Just click off a button. Once you're done, click enter. So how do you do this actually? Is to actually click add leader in your toolbars, as you can see here. So what if you want to delete the arrows? Click on remove leader, as you can see in this symbol, and select the arrows that you want to delete. And click enter. Lastly, as you can see, when I select from this side, the line underneath the text doesn't come out. But when I select from here and here, example, I type out hello and click outside, as you can see the line underneath will pop out. So this is all I have for multileader. Thank you.